Okay, I think I'm going to start. So as I told you, today we are going to solve the worksheet. So I want you to put it in front of you, and I'm going to pick you one by one to answer the questions, okay? Yeah. So I'm going to start with me. So I'm going to start with me. So if I have the same denominator, then we say those fractions are like fractions.
Or like
So on this case, we're going just to copy the denominator as it is, and we just add the numerators. So I will get 3 over 5. Okay, so if I have like fractions, I just copy the fraction and um, add the numerator. Yeah, Mahdi, number 2.
yes, 3 over 5 minus 1
No,
over
number
5.
2, number 2.
It's 2 over
Number
5.
2.
Oh,
Yalla Mahdi. So number 2 we have 3 over 6 minus 2 over 6. So what do I get?
1 over 6.
Excellent, Mahdi. So 1 over 6. I just copy the denominator as it is and I subtract the numerator. Thank you, Mahdi. Hussein Mughni.
2 over 5.
Excellent, because 3 minus 1 is 2. Majid.
Yes,
5 over 10 minus
um,
4 over 10.
1 over 10.
1 over 10. Very good. Yalla Rasha. Number 5.
2 over 9 plus 3 over 9, 5 over 9.
Excellent. It's 5 over 9. So I keep the denominator as it is and I add the numerator. Excellent. Yeah. Now I want Hala.
Yes,
Hala number 6. 6 over 11 minus 3 over 11.
3 over 11.
Excellent. It's 3 over 11. Very good. Yalla Ibrahim Maruni.
Yes,
9 over 20 minus 2 over 20.
7
7.
over
Excellent.
20.
It's 7 over 20. Very good. Yalla Malak.
Yes,
1 over 7 plus 4 over 7.
5 over 7.
Excellent. It's 5 over 7. Very good. Um, stop saying me, please. Pick me, please. I will pick all of you. So please leave the chat for the important things, huh? Yeah. Rena. Number 9. 8 over 20 plus 3 over 20. So we are adding.
good morning.
11 over 20.
11 over 20. Excellent, Rena. Good morning, Lana. How are you?
Fine, you.
Good. Yeah. Hani.
Yes, miss.
8 over 12 minus 3 over 12.
5 over 12.
Excellent. It's 5 over 12. Yeah.
12.
حسين فتوني. حسين فتوني. حسين فتوني. I'm waiting for you. حسين فتوني. علي مروي.
Yes.
Number 11. 4 over 15 plus 7 over 15.
11 over 15.
Perfect, Ali. Thank you. It's 11 over 15. Very good. Yeah. Bustanis
Yes, miss.
and Muhammad, are you beside each other? Lana and Muhammad, are you beside each other? Lana?
Yes, miss.
يلا Lana. Is your brother beside you?
Yes.
يلا Lana. 11 over 25 minus 7 over 25.
Eh, 25 under.
Yes, so we keep the same denominator, which is 25. What's 11 minus 7?
18 up.
No, we are subtracting.
18.
11 minus 7. What's 11 minus 7?
Miss, you
Yeah,
can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. 11 minus 7.
Okay. 4.
Yes, it's 4. Is Muhammad beside you? I want him to
Yes.
answer number 13. So Muhammad?
Yes.
يلا Muhammad. 7 over 11 minus 3 over 11.
13 under.
11 under, you mean? Because the denominator is 11. We are in number 13. Okay, حبيبي مش 14.
And 4 up.
Yes, it's 4 over 11. Thank you, Muhammad. Yeah, I want just a second. Selena?
Yes.
يلا Selena. 4 over 13 plus 5 over 13.
9 over 13.
Excellent. It's 9 over 13. So did you check your work, guys?
Yes, it's correct. All
Do
of
I
them.
clear everything?
Yes.
Yalla, let us continue.
Yes.
So now we still have 2, 15 and 16, right? يلا حسن مغنية. Hassan, I think he has problem in the internet. I know he left. طيب علي طحينة.
Yes.
يلا 9 over 25 minus 9 over 25.
0 over 25.
Excellent. It's 0 over 25. Very good. بعد في عندي سلفتوني حسن مغنية. حسن
Yes.
يلا 13 over 25 plus 6 over 25.
13 over 25. 19 over 25.
Excellent حبيبي. It's 19 over 25. Very good. Yeah. So now we're going to question number 2, and in question number 2, as you can see, now the fractions are not like, they are unlike fractions. So we have first to change the unlike fractions into like fractions, and then we're going to add or subtract them. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to start with Marlon. I was waiting for you, Marlon. بعتقد رجع راح لأن الإنترنت منه منيح عنده كمان.
Miss, can I?
Marlon, he came. Marlon? Are you hearing me?
Miss في هديك المايك اللي بتجي لما تروح على البارتيسيبيت لما هو تروح
يا
على
ماجد بليز، ما بحب حدا يتدخل بهالاشياء. أنا I will decide please. ما أنا شايفة إنه الإنترنت عنده مش منيح، يعني شو بدي أعمل؟ بس اللي بيكون كل الوقت ما عم يعني الإنترنت عنده كتير منيح وما عم يسمع، ما بده يرد علي، أكيد ما رح أحط له attendance. مش بس بتروح علامة البارتيسيبيشن، ما بحط له attendance، ما أنا عم بحكيك أنت ما عم ترد علي، كيف بدي أحط لك attendance؟ ما أنت مش موجود. يعني you have to know this. Those who I call and they don't answer, I'm not going to put their attendance. Marlon? يلا هلا برجع بيثبت عنده الانترنت. حسين فتوني. حسين فتوني. Okay, so that was your last chance. Yeah, one more time. I'm going to do the turn. So I'm going to start from the beginning with Mahdi. Yalla Mahdi.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
1/2 plus 1/4 are not like fraction because they don't have the same denominator. So I need to change them to have the same denominator.
Yes.
Okay, so they told us that the common denominator, of course, is going to be 4 because 4 is a multiple of 2, right? So I only multiply the first fraction by.
So we multiply by 2.
Very good. So I'm going to multiply, just a second, the first fraction by 2. Okay,
The up one.
so it becomes
2/4.
now I can add them because I have the same denominator. So 2 plus 1.
3/4.
Excellent. That's correct. Yalla ya Majid. Number 2. I have 1/2 minus 5/12. What do I do?
1 times 6.
يعني قصدك you multiply the first fraction by
6.
ايه هيك بنقول we multiply the first fraction only by 6. يلا what do I get?
6/20.
So do I have now the same denominator? Can I subtract them?
Yes.
What's 6/12 minus 5/12?
1/2.
1/12. Very good. Yeah. All of you, you will have turn. As you can see, you are 16 students, and just let me show you. And this is 18. So all of you, you will have turn. Okay. Yeah. Let us continue to number 3, and I'm going to continue with Hala Hasham.
Yes.
Number 3, we have 1/5 plus 4/15.
5 times 3 and 1 times 3.
Very good. So we multiply the first fraction by
3.
what do I get?
Over 15, 4/15, and 7/15.
Excellent, Hala. Perfect. Yalla Rasha, number 4.
Yes.
2/3 minus 3/6.
We do 2/3 times 2.
Very good. So I get
4/6.
and then هيدي 4/6 minus 3/6. هيدي شكلها print. عاملة print غلط. يلا 4/6 minus 3/6.
Was 4 minus 3 or 4 minus 1?
لا 4 minus 3. ما هيدي لازم تكون 3 بس اني ناقلينها غلط.
Yes, 1.
Very good, Rasha. Excellent. يلا إبراهيم. Number 5.
Yes. 7, it's time 2.
7, it's time 4/7 times 2. So the first fraction by 2. Very good. So what do I get?
4 times 2 is 8.
Very good. So it's 8/15.
8/14.
Yes. Now 8 minus 5.
3.
Excellent, Ibrahim. So, Mahdi, Hala, Rasha, Majid, Ibrahim, you got your turn. So let us continue with Ali Tahini. Sorry.
Yes.
Yalla, Ali. In number 6, we have 1/4 plus 5/8. What should I do?
Multiply by 2.
The first
one.
The first
Multiply by
fraction.
2.
Very good. So we only multiply the first fraction by 2. So what do I get?
2/8.
Very good. And the final answer is?
7/8.
Excellent, Ali. Bustanis, Lana and Muhammad. Lana, you do 7. Muhammad, you do 8. Yalla, Lana.
Okay.
Number 7.
Yes, miss.
3/5 minus 7/15.
5 times 3.
Excellent. So we multiply the first fraction by 3. So what do I get?
9.
Yes. And the second fraction stays as it is, which is 7/15. Now the final answer?
2.
Very good. Yalla Muhammad, it's your turn.
Miss, where?
Number
8.
8. Yes. 4/9 plus 3/18.
9 times 2.
Excellent. So we multiply the first fraction by 2. Yeah. So what do I get?
4 times 2 equal 8.
Very good. 8/18. What about the second fraction?
Is 3.
It's 3. Very good. Now the final answer is?
11.
Very good. Excellent, Muhammad. Yeah. Now I want Selena.
Yes.
Yalla, Selena. 5/16 plus 1/8. Sorry.
1 times 2.
Yani we multiply the second fraction by 2.
Yes.
What about the first fraction?
5 5/16.
Plus?
2
Okay, and now what's the final
over 16
answer?
equal 7/16.
Thank you, Selena. Yalla, Ali. Mruwe.
Yes.
Yes, dear. Number 10. 17/18 minus 2/3.
3 times 6.
Very good. So we multiply the second fraction by 6. What about the first fraction, Ali?
Times 6.
The first fraction, which is 17/18, we just copy it as it is without any change, right?
Yes.
So it's 17/18 minus?
12/18.
Excellent. 12/18. Okay, so what's 17 minus 12?
5.
Excellent, dear. Thank you. Yeah. Hani. Hani, ya Hani.
Yes, miss.
Yeah, the number 11. 4/5 plus 3/25.
Times 5
The first fraction.
and 4 times 5.
Yes, so I get
25 down and up 20.
bravo. Plus we copy the second fraction as it is, yeah, miss.
Plus 3
Very good. And now the final answer.
equal 22.
Bravo, yeah, miss. excellent. يلا بعد في عندك كتير ما عملوا دور. حسن مغنية.
نعم.
يلا يا حسن. number 12. 13
Number 12.
over 21 minus 1 over 7.
13 minus 1 over 21 by 7. We times the 13 and the 1 by 7.
No, the first fraction we leave it as it is, because if you look at the denominators, here we have 21 and here we have 7. The 7 we make it 21, so we multiply the 7 to become 21. So what do you multiply the 7 by?
The 7 we multiply it by 1.
By 3 حبيبي, because 7 times 3 is 21.
Yes.
Yeah. So the first fraction stays as it is, which is 13 over 21, minus what?
Miss,
Minus
Yeah, what's 1 times 3? Yeah, miss, what's 1 times 3?
3.
Yeah. Now what's 13 minus 3?
10.
10. That's it. It's 10 over 21. Okay?
Okay.
Miss, can I do number 15?
Mm-hmm.
Miss, can I do number 15 بس نوصل له؟
يلا إذا كانوا الكل عاملين دور أكيد.
Okay.
Yeah, so let us continue. So we've done from 12, so now we are 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. يلا I'm going to continue. مين بعد ما عمل؟
Me.
يلا ملك.
Okay. Number 13.
Yes. 11 over 15 minus 3 over 5.
3 over 3 times 3 over 5.
Yes, times
3
excellent.
equal
Yeah.
11 over 15
Bravo.
minus 9 over 15
Excellent. And now?
equal 2 over 15.
Perfect, Malak. Marlon? Marlon?
Yes, miss.
Hi. I called you many times, but I think that your internet is not so good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are in number 14 and we have 15 over 36 plus 1 over 9. What do you think we should do?
Which one?
Number
15
Number 14, we have 15 over 36 plus 1 over 9.
We do 9. We make it so that 9 becomes 36.
How? By multiplying
Which
by
is
what?
9 times 4.
Very good. It's times 4. So the first fraction stays as it is, which is 15 over 36. Now the second fraction becomes
4 over 36.
excellent. And now what's the final answer?
19 over 36.
Perfect. Thank you, Marlon. يلا مين بعد ما عمل دور بهيدي؟ مهدي I picked you. حلا، رشا، ماجد، إبراهيم، علي، بستاني، علي مروي، سيلانا، هاني، حسن مغنية، ملك، مارلين، رينا, right?
Miss, maybe we all did.
لا بعد في رينا حبيبي. يلا رينا number 16. I want you to do now number 16. Are you ready?
Yes.
يلا رينا. So we have 3 over 4 plus 1 over 20. What do you think we should do?
4 plus 20.
We can't add them. We can't add them, Rena, because they don't have the same denominator. Okay, so I need to make them the same denominator. Can you make the 420, Rena?
No.
Think well. Can you multiply the 4 by something to get 20?
Yes.
4 times what?
4 times 4 times 5.
Excellent. So we multiply by 5. What do we get, Rena? What's 3 times 5?
15.
Over
Over 20.
plus
Plus 1.
over 20, right? Now you can add
Yeah.
them, Rena, because we got the same denominator, which is 20, right?
20. Yeah, right.
Yeah, now 15 plus 1,
16.
60. Thank you, Rena. So guys, I want you here to pay attention very well. All the previous exercises, we didn't need to reduce the fraction at the end. But here you have to pay attention that we can reduce or we can divide the fraction by 4. So you have to pay attention, when do we divide, huh? So now what do we get? 4 over 5, and that's the simplest form of the fraction. You have to do this. This is graded. I will remove marks for those who didn't do this. Yalla, I think you got all your turn. So I now want Malak. Hala, she told me she wants to do number 15, right?
Yeah, right.
Yalla, Hala. So we have 7 over 8 minus 2 over 5. Do I have the same denominator?
No,
Can I make that 5, 8?
no.
So what should I do?
I multiply the 5 by 8 and the 2 by 8 and the 8 by 5 and the 7 by 5, and I get
Of course,
35 over.
of course, Hala, you noticed this because you listed the multiples of 5 and you
Yes,
listed the
I listed them
multiples
all.
of 8. So we need to list the multiples of 5 and the multiple of 8 like this until you reach the common multiple, which is
40.
40. Okay, so it's 40 and we noticed that it's 40. So now I can put the fractions over 40. Just a second, Hala, you will continue, of course. Yalla, Hala.
Okay.
So
Now
we multiply the first
35
fraction by 5,
the
as you
first
said,
fraction by 5
and the second fraction by,
by 8
very good. Yalla, Hala. So we get 35 over 40 minus,
minus 16 over 40.
and which is
19 over 40.
19 over 40. And 19 over 40 cannot be divided. So I just leave it as it is. Is it clear?
Yeah. Yeah, clear.
So I'm going to continue 17 and 18, and I want you to pay attention. So it's my turn now. Yeah. So 2 over 5 plus 7 over 20. So I only multiply this fraction by 4. So I get 8 over 20 plus 7 over 20. So what's 8 over 20 plus 7 over 20? It's 15 over 20. And here you have to pay attention that we can divide. We can divide by what?
5.
By 5. Very good. So I'm going here to divide both terms by 5. So what do we get?
3 over 4.
3 over
Very good. It's 3 over 4. Yeah, number 18, we multiply the second fraction by 3. هلا لو طلعت حدا يحل هيدا كان حيقول لي يا مس لينا ايتي له مش الي كان حيصير في مشاكل. So that's why هول الاثنين I will solve them by myself. Okay, so minus 3 over 12. يلا tell me what's 7 over 12 minus 3 over 12?
4 over 12.
Can I divide
Yes.
by what?
Yes, by 4.
By 4. Very good. So I'm going to divide by 4. So what do I get?
1 over 3.
1 over
Excellent.
3.
And that's the final answer. Okay,
Question.
now
لما بدنا نعمل divide ما فينا نعملها باي 2.
بلا بس بدك ترجع بعد ما تعملها باي 2 ترجع تعمل مرة تانية باي 2. سو انت لازم تعرف دايركتلي باي 4 لانه انت بتعرف ال 4 و 12 اني ارقام سهلة يعني منا ارقام صعبة لما انتبه انه 4 directly. So any question about this exercise?
No.
No.
Miss,
No.
I have a question.
Yes.
Is like fractions بنعملهم addition بس إذا unlike fraction بنعملهم multiplication.
Yes, we need to multiply first in order to make them like fractions. Yes, Rena, that's correct. Let me take the attendance before you leave. علي طحينة, I want you to hear your voice. يلا, علي طحينة.
Yes.
علي مروة. علي مروة. I need to hear your voice, guys, okay? علي مروة. I think علي ظهر بس أنه أنا he participated يعني. سيلينا.
Yes.
حلا. حلا. حلا كانت هون. هاني.
Yes, miss.
حسن مغنية.
Here.
حسين فتونة. حسين مغنية. كان هون. إبراهيم مارونة.
Yes.
كريم منه هون. لانا is here of course. مهدي سرور is here. ماجد. ملاك. مارلين. محمد بستاني. رشا. رينا only. يلا. يلا see you next time guys, okay?
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.